Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
And today we're going to talk about some kick-ass Black Friday RST Airbag Race Suit sales. Okay, race suit sale number one. I feel like this suit is one of the most overlooked suits in the race suit catalog. When it comes to RST airbag suits, most people kind of gravitate towards the V4.1.
Because of the Kangaroo.
And quite possibly, and go right past what is, without question, the greatest airbag race suit value on the market today in the US, bar none. Okay, this is the Pro Series Evo suit. Fully integrated in-motion airbag. It comes with a back protector built in, armor all throughout, even in the hips. It looks good, and these things have proven to be super durable. How good are the RST race suits? Well, what have you been racing in for the last 3 years?
The RST suits.
It's made in the same exact factory. It's basically the same exact suit with custom badging and all that stuff on it. It's great stuff. In my opinion, this is, without even being on sale, it is the best airbag suit value here in the US, and it's a great product. These retail for $11.99. We're going to run a sale. It was your idea.
It's my idea.
We'll run this one through
You're
Monday,
welcome.
which is the day that we're turning this video on, all the way through Cyber Monday, so
Yep.
1 week.
So 1 full week.
What do you think?
And I think $1,000 is relatively reasonable.
I think that's amazing. I think
two-
it might be a little cheap. but
$200 off.
I'm going to let you have it.
Doesn't hurt.
So what do you get with this suit? Well, you get an integrated in-motion airbag. You get armor in the shoulders, elbows, forearms, knees, shins, hip, and it has a back protector integrated into the suit. So if you're not going to wear a standalone chest protector, you just wear it as it stands. No need to do anything else.
Simple as that.
At $9.99, like let's say if you want to go with an Alpine Star airbag system.
You can.
Well, that's going to get you the system.
That's going to get you the airbag, kind of, depending on the airbag.
Correct.
That's all it's going to get you. Simple as that. And then
And then you need a suit.
they need a suit, which is at least another $1,000 for the bare minimum, if we're being completely honest.
Bare minimum.
So
How good is the RST race suit product?
it's good enough that I've crashed in it probably a little over 10 times, and I've walked away every time, just frustrated.
Yeah, well, it happened. Well, and me too, because I got to fix everything.
Yeah.
So for the last, I think it's 3 seasons, it would be season number 4 this year, right?
Yeah, I've had basically the same suit every year, just different colors and sizes. That's it.
You want to show it? Here's one of them right back here on the mannequin,
Yeah.
right? Bottom line is it's a great product. If it wasn't great product, my kid would for sure not be racing in it. Okay, so one caveat with these, and I really personally don't think it's an issue at all, there is a subscription fee with the airbag system. It's, what is it, 12, 14, it's cheap.
Like $14, $15 a month.
Nothing.
You can cancel it at any time.
Yeah,
So
you don't
it's
even have to pay for it in the winter when you're not using the suit. It's super cheap, and the cool part with that is what that does, it's, look at it, think of it as like a cable box or something, right? If you have any issues with the hardware itself, which we've seen only a couple of times.
Only a couple of times, yep.
When you have a live subscription like that,
They're on it. Like,
they're on it, and there's like express shipping. They just take care of it and exchange it. It's a
Yep.
great service. Odds are you're never going to need it. We've seen it only a couple of times, and their tech support has been great. So, great product, never a better value.
Nope.
$9.99, $99 Pro Series Evo. All right, here we go. Race suit deal number 2, and this is, honestly, this is going to be the most amazing race suit deal ever.
Yeah, it is.
You know, sometimes you try something,
Yeah.
and it just doesn't it doesn't produce the results that you had anticipated.
Nope.
When I look at this race suit, I see a beautiful artistic creation,
Yep.
and I expected the limited edition run that we brought in.
Yep.
These things were just going to disappear.
Some of the people see America, and the other people see Butterbean's boxing shorts.
Yeah, but Butterbean's a bad motherfucker, dude.
Yeah, he sure is.
Who's
but-
not a Butterbean fan?
I don't
I'm
know.
a Butterbean fan. You know, if there was a Butterbean poster, I'd have it over my bed. I don't know.
Yeah.
Give him a good look at this.
Yeah, it's badass. It's flashy, and you can get maybe a cool set of white gloves with it, maybe a set of white boots to
Look amazing.
make it pop in there. But it's cool, that's for sure.
This is the RST V4.1 Evo airbag suit in a custom printed USA
Yep.
right?
Yep.
Motif.
I know.
It's amazing.
I know if Hulk Hogan was alive, he'd
He
be
would
wearing this suit.
he would have bought them all, no
sure.
question. He would have bought every single one. It's unfortunate that he's passed away. Go buy his beer, it's good.
Yeah.
Integrated in-motion airbag, just like with the Pro Series Evo, right?
Same airbag.
It's got the back protector built into it. You've got your armor in the shoulders, elbows, forearms, knees, shins, hip armors included. This thing's literally, the back protector is ready to rock,
It's
man.
loaded, but you got to let them know what the sale price is.
Oh, I should do that. Well,
should do
you know,
that.
we came out of the gate with this one because these cost me more to bring in than the black ones or the white and red ones at 2Gs. And you know what? We've made it through maybe half.
Yep.
And it's just time to finish this off
Yep.
and move on to the next thing. $12.50.
That's
I'm gonna take another
reasonable.
$250 off of this thing, man.
And that was off the top of his head, man.
I just made that up just now.
He did literally make it up
did.
just now. We were talking 10%, and this guy just blew you out of the water.
Well, I'm the boss. I can do whatever I want. When
Yeah.
you're El Jefe,
Hell yeah, man.
that's what you get. Maybe someday you'll be there.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah. Maybe Turkey's running hair loss sales.
I'm not that worried about that, actually.
Black Friday.
So there you have it. Two of the greatest, what a terrible kid. Two of the greatest race suit deals ever in the history of race suits. This deal,
Is kick ass.
unlike the other, this is unbelievable.
Yeah.
Right? Greatest value in the history of value for airbag race suits. Kangaroo, cowhide mix. It's amazing. We're going to run this one until they're gone. The Pro Series Evo, that one's only going to run from Monday, when this video is turned on, until the end of Cyber Monday. Get yours before they're gone.